Hi everyone, I have taken one simple problem for binomial distribution. I will read out the problem. The probability that a bomb hits the bridge is 2 divided by 5. 4 bombs are aimed at the bridge. 3 bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. Find the probability that the bridge is destroyed. Here, none of the bomb hits the bridge. See, they have mentioned here the chance of bomb hits the bridge. If you aim at a particular bridge, then the chance of hitting that bomb to a particular bridge is 2 divided by 5. Then you have totally 4 bombs aimed at a bridge. So 4 bombs aimed at a bridge. Then out of 4, 3 bombs are enough to destroy the bridge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ 4 ಬಾಂಬ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 3 ಬಾಂಬು ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಾವಂತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಬಾಂಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನಫ್. You need to find out the probability the bridge is destroyed. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಅದು ಒಂದನೇ ಕ್ವಶನು. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಶನು, ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಿಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್. 4 ಬಾಂಬ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಬಾಂಬು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ಗೆ ತಗಲದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ you need to write down the particular problem. So write down the problem. I'll come back. Yes, wrote it. I will rub it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. First, we need to write the probability mass function of binomial distribution, that is PMF of binomial distribution NCX into P raised to X into Q raised to N minus X. So this is your probability mass function of binomial distribution. Then if you look at the problem, you will know all these parameters. So be careful while regarding a problem. The first thing is we need to have N. N is the number of bombs in this particular problem. So there are 4 bombs. So N is 4. Then the hitting of a bomb to a particular bridge is how much? That is probability of success. P is 2 divided by 5. If you simplify, 2 divided by 5 is, this is 0.4. Then what is remaining? Q is remaining. So Q equals to, you already know, Q is 1 minus P. It is 1 minus P. 1 minus P is 0.4, then 0.6. Our Q is 0.6. Then let X be the hitting a bomb. X be the hitting a bomb or aimed at a bomb, then probability of x equals to, the first thing is first question. First question they have asked you, the bridge is destroyed. The bridge is destroyed, that is probability of x equals to the bridge is destroyed. The bridge is destroyed, then that is probability of x is how many bombs are required to destroy a bridge? 3 bombs are enough to destroy a bridge. It is given at your problem. So 3 bombs. I will write here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there will be 1 bomb, 2, 3 and 4 bombs. 3 bombs are enough to destroy a bridge. So here if you throw 1 bomb, the bridge will not destroy. If the bomb hits the bridge, 2 bombs hit the bridge will not destroyed. If 3 bombs hits the bridge, it will be destroyed. If 4 bombs hits the bridge is destroyed. So 3 bombs are enough, means at least 3 bombs are enough. So 3 and 4 we can write it more than or equals to 3. X is more than or equals to. So 3 ಬಾಂಬ್ ಬಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ಬಾಂಬ್ ಬಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು, probability of, I'll write it here, probability of x is more than or equal to 3, that is if you insert into a probability mass function, that is n is 4, c x is 3, we consider first one, into xp is 0.4 raised to x is 3 and into q is 0.6 raised to 4 minus 3 plus 4c4 into 0.4 raised to 4 into 0.6 raised to 4 minus 4. So this is probability of 3 plus probability of 4. For your understanding, 3 bombs and 4 bombs. So probability of hitting a bridge, 3 bombs hitting a bridge and 4 bombs hitting a bridge. So this is a total probability of 3 bombs hitting a bridge, total probability of 4 bombs hitting a bridge. Then 4c3, 4c3 here, I will write it here, 4c3 equals to, this is a combination, 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 whole factorial into 3 factorial. Then 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial, 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So this 1 factorial goes 3, 2, 2, remaining is 4. So 4c3 value is 4.4 raised to 3, 4 cube, 4 3 times, you need to multiply 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4 is 8 into 0.064 into 0.6 raised to 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 is 1, therefore 0.6. Plus is there, so put it plus. Then here 4C4 value, 4C4 value you need to find out like this: 4 divided by 4 factorial into divided by 4 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Then here I will tell you a shortcut. Whenever there is NCN is always equals to 1. Here n is also same, x is also same, so NCN, n equals to n combination n equals to 1. 4C4 is 1, we'll take here 4C4 is 1 multiplied by 0.4 raised to 4, that is 0.4 4 times, we make multiplication 4 times, so 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 is 0.0256 into 0.6 raised to 4 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 is 0, so 0.6 is 1. Then here 4 multiplied by 0.064 multiplied by 0.6 is 4, we will make first this and again we will make this 0.0384 plus 1 into 0.0256 into 1, that is 0.0256. Then we will make for this 4 into 0.0384, that comes around 0.1536 plus 0.0256. I will write it answer here only equals to, so if you add these two, that is this is the probability of 3, this is probability of 4, 3 bombs and 4 bombs, it is added to 0.1792. This is your answer, where here the bridge is destroyed. If you put more than 3 bombs, 3 or more than 3 bombs, then you will take this is 3 bombs, this is 4 bombs hitting a bridge and bridge is destroyed. So this is the probability 0.1792 is a probability the bridge is destroyed. So this is the first question they have asked. You can make a notes of it. I will rub it. 5 4 3 2 1 0. Then they have asked second, find out second probability, that is none of the bomb hit the bridge. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಬಾಂಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ನ ತಲುಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ probability ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಿಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ಗೆ ತಗುಲೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ probability ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ it is very easy. Probability of none of the bomb hit the bridge. Then we will take this as x. X equals to none is 0. So x equals to 0, that is probability of 0. Probability of 0 is nothing but, here again we need to insert the values into probability mass function, that is ncx into p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. So if you insert, in case of x values you put 0, then you will get answer, that is n is again 4 only, 4c0 into p raised to x is, p is 0.4 raised to 0 into 0. Q is 0.6 raised to 4 minus 0. Then 4c0, we'll find out here, 4c0 equals to, I will tell you a shortcut, 4c0, whenever the nc0 is always, again it is 1, the value of nc0 is 1. In previous example we have seen ncn equals to 1, ncn equals to 1, the same way nc0 is 1, you can find out with this formula. Then here 4c0 is there, we can insert 1, then 0.4 raised to 0 is always 1 into 0.6 raised to 4 minus 0 is 4 only, so this is 0.6 4 times, that is 0.6 raised to 4. Then 1 into 1 into 0.6 4 times, that is 0.1296. The answer, if you simplify this, you will get 0.1296. So this is your probability of getting none of the bomb hit the bridge. The previous we have solved, the bomb destroyed the bridge. Here none of the bomb hit the bridge. You can make notes of it and try for some other problems, and I will come up with some other problems and with in the next video. And till that, watch the video and prepare the notes. Thank you.